Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23. Jersey number 7 inbound the ball. Still. Jersey number 23. Wala. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23. Jersey number 7 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 2. Sa tres. Wala. Jersey number 20.
Takbo, kuya!
Basket, 2 points by jersey number 21. Ang compute. Jersey number 2, still. Jersey number 20, pass to jersey number 21. Jersey number 20, susubok. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to jersey number 28. There's a foul. Traveling violation. Sino foul, ref? 8 seconds. Violation. Jersey number 23. Out of bounds. Jersey number 6, mag-tap-in po kayo. Jersey number 24, inbound the ball. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 3. Jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Kanina ba larap? Crack side. Jersey number 7. Still. Jersey number 1, 21. Pass to jersey number 23. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23. Substitution daw. Substitution. Jersey number 2 in. Jersey number 21 out. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 30. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 30. Jersey number 23, foul the ball. There's a foul. Jersey number 28, foul. Jersey number 28, second personal foul. Wala. Second draw. Basket. Jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 2. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 20. Ang cute mo, Beth. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23. Out of bounds. Lakas ng pasa mo. Timeout, Team Crackside. Official score 75-25 in favor of Team Samaco. Remaining time 4 minutes and 38 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter. Next team, Team Duper versus Team Elements. Let's back to the ball game.
Kuya!
Pasok na. Jersey number 23 inbound the ball. Pass to Akuri. Wala. Bigay mo na yung bola, Ben. Jersey number 2 nagmamadali. Pass si jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Wala. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 6. Jersey number 19 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Ang cute mo ba? Wala. Wala pa rin. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23.
Kapa, kuya! Ay, sayang.
Jersey number 23. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23. Basket. 3 points by jersey number 23.
Ano naman?
Basket. Substitution daw, ref. Basket. Lapit kayo sa committee pag magsasubstitute kayo. Wala. Wala pa rin? Basket, 2 points by jersey number 23. Jersey number 2.
Ay, lakas!
Yeah. Jersey number 2. Still. Jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 2. Oh.
Ay, ay, ay,
Stop.
ay!
Jersey number 2. Time to shoot. Jersey number 23. Basket. Substitution. Substitution. Jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Wala. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Wala.
Sayang!
Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 6.
Up!
Cabans. Out of bounds. Wala. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11.
Wow! Ikaw pa!
Akori. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Basket, 2 points by jersey number 2. Jersey number 26. Jersey number 26, 20 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 2. Wala.
Ay, kuya!
Last 15 seconds. Basket 3 points by jersey number 12. Jersey number 2.
Go, kuya!
Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, umikot iba. End of the game. Panalo na ang Team Samako. Captain Bolbo, both team, lapit po sa committee. Captain Bolbo.